Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. This Jam Tours Wash Amesh Pram. It's not dry. Yeah, family. So today Miss Jam Tour is gonna drive. These are like our professional driving class. Yeah, family. So we actually we're going out on the road, family. And today I'm gonna let you drive around the community while we go on the road to do all of the small shopping. Just gonna allow her to drive around the community. So let's go. What's that you're drinking? Miss Jam Tour is drinking banana porridge. This is banana porridge. Coconut milk. Yeah. Huh? What do you mean all you close from this? Eh? Just come back a little. Just come back a little. Yeah, you can, of course, obviously. That's nothing sweet. Not like. You're in your house, sweetie, you're not living here. You're not out on the street. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tour is gonna actually try and take this bend and come around and pick me up. Could you wind this down now? Wind this down. Hey family, so my Jam Tour is coming around the bend now. No. Oh, great job, Miss Jam Tours. That's what you pick me up now.
Or I go without passing.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours, that was a good drive, Miss Jam Tours. So now we're gonna actually do something different. Right? Yeah, family, so we're doing something a little bit different. What we'll be doing.
We're going to downstairs.
So you're driving very fast, yeah. You're going around the estate, you're gonna learn a little reversing and stuff. I guess good. Did you just pass that?
I can't
What is it? You can't believe it. You wanna go down here so I'll come up?
Indicate down on the
Yeah. this way, really. Nice video, scared, eh?
I don't know.
This jam tour scared at the school bus that is coming.
I don't like it to go on.
Go on, yes, we just do the other one. That's what we'll do, we just take another, go into another street, you know? Yeah. It's we have to face a fear sometimes.
Yeah, that's true.
You can't just like whatever. You're driving. You can be in any situation.
Oh, that's true.
Your family.
Then I'm about to face that now. Sure. Okay, hope I don't step on this track.
Family, so we're actually just going around the community. We can put on your seatbelt with that. Nice.
You see, I'm copying you, driving, making the Nania swing by itself.
You know?
Making the like I
can't let go. These are like standalone house. You're gonna reverse this, use the mirror there. Yeah.
Oh, that's the part confusing.
So you say, so you want to go that way, so you go
So
this.
I have to go this way.
Yes, you go this way, around like this.
Okay, so the side I'm going is where the wheel should go.
Yeah. Once you know where you're going, you know this way, that way. Yeah. Well, you don't need to check. Well, you're going. You have enough space. And you lock up the wheel, lock it up. It's locked up, right? And round. Yeah. Come back now. Use the mirror. You see the mirror there. This one is for like if you're going back, straight back. But this one is for like the sides. Come on. Yeah.
Mami, kwa ngapi wanina?
Hey family, so Miss Jam Tours driving up now.
Yeah, keep us connected.
Obviously, so because big it is. Right. Miss Jam Tour. We can go this side to go this route. And there's a spot up there for you to turn. You to turn, challenge you. That small turn there. Straight up, straight up. Yeah family, so I'm gonna take Miss Jam Tours in like a corner for she to turn. See how good she can turn. Straight up, straight up. We're gonna turn straight up. Somebody else. Yeah. I like how they actually build the place, like like how they build it. There's another court up here, Iris Court. They don't have an old gate. Got these people at their own gate here. Wow. Yeah, these are people who live there. And they go all the way around. Wow. Go this way. All the way down. Yeah, this one you have your own gate. You just back up here. Yeah. Well, it's just you can turn down there anyways. And that's the somebody place either. But you still can turn. You can go that way and turn. Yeah, family, like explore the community. These are the standalone, private places. You can't turn. Yeah, it's very small. Look at it. You can't turn. You can turn. See the something up on the front of the tree. Alright. Yeah, so we're gonna go that way. Go that way. Yeah. Come back a little, come back. Alright. So turn the wheel, yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, family.
But it's because they're standalones, like
yeah. Yeah, these people have a shed. It's them put a shed for the car. Oh, I guess it come with it. Yeah, it come like a little garage. Look at it, see this? Yeah, that's also a driveway. You can have 2 cars. 2 cars can park inside.
I said there's 2 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms.
And also 4 bedroom. No, there's
Oh,
no
no,
2.
2,
3 and 4. 2 and 4. I think this is a good place for you to learn to drive
Yeah.
because of the different. There's nobody on the road,
Yeah, and the time.
and the turning you can learn to reverse. Yeah, the corners and stuff. Yeah, yeah. The pies.
So far.
Your driving is good. Yeah, you're doing very good. Not so panic now when you see the cars them coming like this.
Especially here.
Yeah. Not so panic. Yeah. I feel like you're learning very well. Yeah. Yeah, you're driving school. You'll master it. You'll master the master. No, it's really alright. You learn soon.
It's quite hot.
Yes, very happy. Yeah, family. So in the community, we actually have a school. This is like a clubhouse. On the other side, we also have a pool. Want to learn how to, so you don't confuse yourself. So when you're going this way, the car going this way. When you're going that way, so come back. Yeah, come back. And look at the mirror. Look at the. You can also look at the thing. You can also look at this. Up here. You see behind?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So you see him? Alright, come back. You seen the pole, right? Okay. Good. Alright. Go and turn now, Yeah. Turn the face right here. Yeah, and turn up. Yeah, family, this is like the basketball court. As you can see, the hoop. Show a triple double. This is like an area, nature like area. And over there we have the pool, family. There's a pool over there. There's a pool there. Over there you have a pool. Over there we have this like a service apartment right there. This Jam Tours turning. Jam Tours turning right there. Come around, Miss Jam Tours. Come around. Yeah, families. I hope you're liking this vlog, teaching Miss Jam Tours to drive. You know what we're gonna do next. We're gonna go on the road to get a few stuff. It's just gonna continue. Nice. So what you gonna do? Reverse, come back now. Straight down. Miss Jam Tours gonna reverse to come all the way back. So you're gonna go through the gate. You're gonna reverse and go through the gate, yeah. No, reverse and go through the gate. Just Miss Jam Tours reversing through the gate, family. Through the gate. You're going through the gate, you know, sweetie, remember? Yes. You're going through the gate. You're going through here, eh? No. Going through the gate, let in the pirate. Yes. Great job. Alright, stop. Let me come in now. We'll go straight.
Wow. Guys,
Go-
I'm sorry.
What happened? You have to put it in park.
I put it.
Lift up the handbrake.
Imagine I wanted to
I think
come.
this guy want to come, sweetie.
Oh.
Let's go back. Go back this way. Let's turn. Let's go back this way. Yeah. That car want to come inside here. So come up. So now you're gonna reverse back. Let's go. Alright, sweetie, stop now. Now you have to pull it up, sweetie. We're going same time, right? Where you put it in park for?
Oh, I thought you were just coming to drive. I'm
Yeah,
taking up to the time.
Yeah. Alright, family, so that reversing skill from Miss Jam Tours, how you like it so far?
I felt nice.
You felt nice.
And especially, you know, I guess being in a country, you take people's. You know, here I normally see drivers reversing like this. So that's what I was doing. I'm not checking on the side mirror. I don't know. I just
But when you got to
need
drive
learn,
it-
I need to learn how to check on the side mirrors. It's quite confusing me. But
Yeah.
when I check at the back, I can do it perfect.
Okay, you start to align the wheel.
Yes.
But that's how you have to start though. When you got to drive in school, you learn how.
Yeah. Right, so you can go now.
Yeah, let's head out to the gate. Let's go. So enjoy that
But
little
you know, when
river.
I'm like this, I can't see.
Go
I
to
have
the-
to stay like this for real.
Alright, go on. Because I'll move it from there and put it here. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours.
Oh, I thought I would have put it here with that car.
Sure you can. Yeah. Yeah, family, so continue watching this vlog. We're just gonna do a small shopping and come back from Miss Jam Tours. Learn to drive. You know, Miss Jam Tours will be going on the big road soon. Miss Jam Tours scared of this truck.
But I did stop. I would have stopped twice to drive.
Yeah,
Back then, I would have.
yeah, I guess I get the more confident. Yeah. Maybe buy that watermelon from Vincent's video.
Yeah.
The Guma is a fresh watermelon. I don't get a lot.
Yeah. At Vincent.
Yeah. Red. That guy right there.
Oh, yes, I did watermelon. Ah.
so Miss Jam Tours make it to the end of the road, family.
Today, I'm still doing blue. At least I tried. Yay! Thank you so much, love. I'm learning slowly by slowly. Imagine I feel like I can come for mom now.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm that confident.
Local, yeah, local.
Very local.
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so we have some watermelon here. It's red and nice.
Red and nice, good.
You see one local banana, see? Banana, local banana.
Yes. How much is it? No, Sergeant.
Easy. 10, moja 10.
So ni ngapi?
So ni oh.
Nauliza
Namaanisha
hiyo
aje?
batch ni pesa ngapi?
Oh. Hii ni ya 150.
150.
120.
120.
12.
12.
And for the watermelon, how much is that?
Plus watermelon.
Yeah.
470.
470. Yeah. So we just stepped out of Nyverse and got what we want. I hope you like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Miss Jam Tours learning driving lesson. Hey guys, so Nyverse. Oh really?
Yeah,
if
I'm not just talking. I'm not just talking.
yeah, I'm sure you will soon. Yeah. Yeah, family. So like, share, comment on the video. One love, God bless. We are out. Out.